All right, this is a video walkthrough of a first floor rear one-bedroom apartment in Alston. So it opens up to this good-sized foyer right here. Let's start in the bathroom. You got your toilet, sink, vanity, old-style clawfoot tub shower. And where's the there's the shower head. That window is facing, I believe, west at this point. It might be east. We have one of the bedrooms here. Okay, so the windows with the sun are facing south right now, like southwest. All right, and so one of the rooms is right here. No closet. There's a closet right here. Good size closet. Heat and hot water are included. There is laundry, coin-operated laundry in the basement. You probably wouldn't need one, but there is an elevator here. You have your open range gas stove, sink right there, cabinet, and your fridge. Okay, more cabinet space over here. And you got a little bit of room to maybe put another counter there. There's a counter right there. And there's a closet over here. We'll just peek in there real quick. Good sized closet. You can see that they fit some luggage in there. And finally, the bedroom, which tons of space. You got some nice bay windows overlooking the, okay, yeah, this is facing west, southwest. And there is a closet in here. Oh no, there isn't a closet in here. Okay, so no closets in either of the rooms. Yeah, just the closets, the common closets over here and around the corner. But yeah, decent sunlight. So that concludes our video walkthrough.